Hi guys, it's me, Alex. Today is Tuesday, March 11th. Having a little coffee break and thinking about upcoming dispatch training in April. I want to talk about people who always require about the training. They call all the time, they ask all the details. They did it 2 years ago, they did it a year ago, they did it in November, they did it in January, they did it in February, they did it in March. And it seems like every time they pretend to be, oh, I just found you. I really would like to get you training, but I need an extra help. Time is not working, money is not working. Can you help me out? And I am a sucker for helping people. And I used to give extra codes, try to change the dates. Oh, this day is not working for me. Saturday doesn't work. Why don't you do it on Sunday? Oh, please, can you just give me the free training? And it's so funny because my phone remembers, right? From all the messages, who are those people? And every time you text information again, you see the history for the last 2 years. Guys, please do not waste my time. Do not waste your energy. Probably you're not going to become a freight dispatcher anyway. You know why? Because freight dispatchers make their decision. And if you want something in your life, you need to start going towards your dream, your goal. If you want to learn something, well, you go and find money to pay for your education. When people say, oh, it's so expensive, $1,000, what am I getting for $1,000? Well, first, if that's too expensive, find the cheaper version of the same training, and it's okay with me. If that's so expensive, then maybe it's not a good time for you to look into this industry. But here it is, $1,000. It's actually the probably quarter of what I should have charged for my trainings. You're getting 24 hours of live training. You're getting quizzes, homeworks. You actually have ability to make your first phone call. Besides all that live training, you're receiving so many resources, PDFs, PowerPoints, links. You're seeing the real data. So tell me, how much should it cost? Well, probably way more. But it's not about money. It's about people who cannot decide if that's what they want to do. And it takes them years and years. And I can tell you this, probably they will never decide. And it doesn't matter if it's my training, if it's somebody else's training, they just don't know what they want in life. And to succeed, you take your chances. You go and you start and you become good, then you become better, then you finally a pro and you have ability to teach and share the information, or you switch into something else. Life is about choices. Life is about goals. Life is about going out there and doing if you want to succeed. It's not about, oh, it doesn't work for me. Or really, I wanted class this weekend. Well, we just started class. You missed the class. So don't give me a speech for 30 minutes. Why don't I have another class? I do have another class, and it's April 26th. Then I have arrogant people. When I say, well, I suggest you to sign up earlier for my classes because you need to get ready for them. You have to go through terminology, through some quizzes. You need to start looking at the load boards. You need to prepare. And usually, the ignorant people, I already know all of that. Well, if you know all of that, why do you need my training? If you already know how to dispatch, you do not need my training. So please, save your time and my time, save your energy and my energy, and just go and do it. But for everybody else, especially for my class right now, I'm thankful for you choosing me. I am very blessed that you are in my class. I'm proud of most of you because you made a decision, you actually put in an effort, and for some people it's gonna be easier, for some people it's gonna be challenging, but day after day, day after day, you're gonna feel that confidence. You're gonna learn from somebody else's mistakes or maybe your own mistakes. And if you really want to become that pro dispatcher, you will be pro dispatcher. If one day you want to open the trucking company, you will open that trucking company no matter what. If one day you decide to maybe become an instructor and create training, well, you definitely can do that. Life is about doing. Life is not about begging, asking for freebies, or always finding why it's not good time for me now. Time is now. Time is exactly today. So if you like my energy, if you trust my expertise, if you really looking to learn how to dispatch trucks in the USA and make sure that you are helping your carriers to succeed, then sign up for my classes. If not, go ahead and bake the cakes. Go ahead and find different industries. Become the real estate agent. Go and start driving Uber. Go and open the law firm. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. But for my future pro dispatchers, well, cheers to you. Unfortunately, coffee is going to be one of bad things that you will need to battle as a pro dispatcher. Well, but today I still have to go and prepare for my class on Saturday. I have to prepare for my IFTA, and I have few meetings to attend. So, coffee it is. Love you guys, and see you soon.